Hello everyone, welcome to Mark Education Hub. Here, we provide online and offline assistance both for IELTS, OET and PTE. In this video, I'll teach you how to attempt advice letters in IELTS Writing Task 1 General. This is a type of letter which is written in a friendly yet formal tone, providing advice to someone who may be facing a particular issue or situation. Step 1 is to understand the task prompt. That means you need to understand what advice is being asked for, along with identify whether the person is asking for your personal, professional, or general advice. For example, I am writing in response to your request for the advice about whatever the situation is. Secondly, once this point is clear, you should organize your ideas clearly. That means start with a positive greeting and briefly explain why are you writing. Also, make sure that you provide your advice in a structured way and end a letter with a polite closing remark. For example, I would recommend you to try to attend a few networking events to improve your professional connections. And we have to end the letter by being positive and encouraging. Herein, make sure that you offer support and encouragement along with the tone used should be uplifting and optimistic. For example, I am confident that with your determination, this advice will help to achieve your goals. Herein, we have some important phrases that may be beneficial in writing advice letter. Starting with opening, as this is an informal letter, it can start with the words like dear, hi, hello. Secondly, as it is a letter wherein they are asking for an advice, it is important to acknowledge and respond. So, we may use the phrases like, I understand you're looking for some advice regarding, or I'm writing in response to your request for advice about, or even, I hope you're doing well and that everything is going to be smoothly. After acknowledging, now starts with the main body wherein we have to offer advice and that too in a friendly and helpful tone. So, we can start with like if we have multiple things to start off, we can say, first of all, I suggest you, or a piece of advice I can give you is. If you want to be a quite formal, you may use, I would recommend you to go for XYZ. After making the advice, you should always make sure that you're encouraging, though it is an optional paragraph, but it gives a more positive note to the person for encouragement. Like, I believe this advice will help you in making the right decision. I am confident that with these steps, you will achieve your goal. After doing so, we have to close the letter by making a final remark like, I hope this advice proves beneficial to you. Please do not hesitate to get in touch if you need any more help, or let me know if you need any further assistance or advice. And yes, do not forget to sign off with the phrases like best regards, yours sincerely, take care, or warm regards. Moving on to a sample question with an answer. The question says, a friend of yours is planning to apply for a job in marketing and has asked advice from you. Write a letter and offer him some suggestions on how to improve their chances of getting the job. Recommend the course, skill, or experience that may be beneficial to him, and let him know how your support can be achieved if he requires. So, as it is an informal letter, I'll start with a humble tone. I hope you are in a radiant health. I understand you are considering applying for a job in marketing, and I would be happy to offer some advice on how to increase your chances to success. Now, as I want to make two to three suggestions, I have used the word first of all. Okay, so first of all, I suggest you focus on gaining more experience in digital marketing as this is an era that many employers in the industry are looking for. If you haven't already, it might be a good idea to take an online course or certification in this field. This will not only help to build your valuable skills but also make up your resume stand out. So, this is called the encouragement line. Now, as I want to use one more statement, I have used the connector which is called cohesive device as additionally, try to gain experience through internships or volunteer opportunities in the marketing. Even part time roles or freelancing may provide you hands on experience. Networking is also crucial in this industry, so attending marketing events and connecting with professionals could be beneficial. Now, ending the letter, I'm sure that this is the right strategy. You will be able to land a great position in the marketing field. Please do not hesitate to reach me if you need any further assistance. Best regards, and then your name. I hope this has helped you to understand how to write advice letters. DM for more such questions and for your writings corrections.